ATM has filed papers to court saying, you know what? These elections must be declared invalid. You think I'm joking? We're about to go through that. So it's not just now about MK Party that has done that. ATM has decided that they're going to take that and they're going to file papers of their own. And I'm like, wow. Now, there's another problem. There's a problem that we have here. And that problem is MK Party says it will be a gross subversion of people's will if it doesn't govern KZN. And I fully, 110% concur with MK Party. I fully concur with MK Party here. The DA is a racist, autocratic political party. They want to tell you what they want you to do, whether people have spoken the majority or not. They are ruling with a rod of iron. First of all, the DA is vocal about the government and the national government, the coalition with ANC. They are not even the majority here. The ANC should be the one vocal. Nationally, they are vocal. KZN, the DA have been heard. They are clear on the matter. MK Party will not rule KZN. And I said to myself, wait, but the people of KZN have shown that they don't like you. Why are you now forcing yourself to them? So that's where you see the autocratic part of this thing, to say the people of KZN have said no to DA, yes to MK Party. Why are you then forcing yourself to them? Why are you not giving preference to the MK Party? I say the DA, guys, it is showing people its true colors before it can even ascend into the position of power when they shall announce the coalition today with the ANC, because we know they're going to do that. But they have already shown people their true colors, that they are autocratic, they are racist, they represent the minority. Because I don't get it. In KZN, people have shown you that they don't like you. Why are you forcing your ugly head in KZN? Why are you forcing to rule KZN when the majority have clearly shown you that we do not like you? I don't get it. Like, honestly speaking, I don't get it. These people, they think they are better. That's why they want to go out there. Malema one day once says there's a problem with these white people who think that nothing can be done by black people. They always want to supervise black people. That is what we are seeing. This ugly head here, that is what we are seeing from MTA, right? We do not have an ugly head here. There's one thing that we have, and we have it, and it's beautiful, and it is this. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people, because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To click the notification bell, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. To watch this video until the end, it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, we'll bring you more, and also, guys, want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. All right, where do we start? Let's start with the MK Party story, because it's okay. No. The ATM files papers in the Electoral Court to have the 2024 election declared null and void. ATM national spokesperson Zamantshona said the elections were not free and fair. Okay? Sorry, guys. The African Transformation Movement, ATM, has filed papers in the Electoral Court seeking to have the 2024 general election declared null and void. ATM has set Barton has 2 seats in the National Assembly. Also won the first sitting of Parliament held this Friday. It joins MK Party, a non-government organization, Hola Bon recent to have filed papers to court papers in the last minute bid to prevent the governing of the seventh democratic administration. All 3 organizations are yet to provide any proof to support their claim of vote rigging and fraud by the electoral court. ATM national spokesperson Zamanjona said said that the elections are not free and fair. They said because of the material irregularities that are there, we are calling for a rerun of the elections, and that's what we want. That's what we want the court to do, and by doing that, we are saying that Parliament cannot continue with the consulting of Parliament when the process of counting Parliament is under question. Well, before I go into the MK party here, I will tell you this, and I'll say this for free. It appears like when you look at how they move here, it appears like they've got a plan, these people. These people have planned this, and if they look, for instance, if these political parties were to get the decision right, I will not be shocked if the IEC or ANC or DA appeal the decision. And then it goes to the Constitutional Court. And then when it gets there, it gets overturned. I will not be shocked. And I will not expand why I will not be shocked. But let's proceed. Umkhonto weSizwe Party said it will be gross subversion of people's will if it does not govern KwaZulu-Natal. Political newcomer produced one of the best shocking during the election by receiving the most votes in KwaZulu-Natal. Martin, NFP believe MK Party should govern KZN and has received the most vote. However, with only 45%, the party fell short of the outright majority, and it is now scrambling to find coalition partner. With the Inkatha Freedom Fighter IFP opting to side with the Democratic Alliance and the African National Congress, the MK Party faces the reality of being in the opposition benches in KwaZulu-Natal. The party head of election, Muzi Nchingila, said the ANC should practice what it has always preached of letting the party with the most vote form government. The people have made their choices. They have decided that MK Party is the one they prefer to champion their plight, and so let the will of the people prevail. Meanwhile, right here, there's more to talk about, but right here, I've got problem with 2 political parties, but firstly, it's the DA. I've got a problem with the attitude of the DA. Guys, the attitude of the DA is the biggest red flag, and most people will regret later on. We see the DA is so bully, is playing this part of being a bully here. They said that in KZN, MK Party will not govern. That's what they told us, broad daylight. And we said, oh, MK Party will not govern in KZN. Sorry. Said who? Said EDA. Konja, what numbers that DA have in KZN? Very few. So, does DA listen to people's will? That's the first question. Clearly, if DA has got few votes, yet they want to override that, saying MK Party will not rule KZN. So clearly, there's a problem with DA. Right there, you have your signs. Red flags are there. DA does not care about people's will. They only care about themselves. They are autocratic. It's their will or the highway. And if you don't pick it up now, forget you'll never pick it up. We are seeing DA for what it is. And so it cannot be allowed to rule.